Okay, so this is Wiz. Wiz basically starts by automatically building a dynamic inventory from your code and cloud completely agentlessly. This means that you can see every visibility into the environment, into everything that your teams are building using AI without any friction. Wiz then builds the security graph. The security graph, think of it as a living map that explains the architecture and the logic of any AI application it sees. Here we see an example of an agent that is actually running on Claude. It has tools to query a database and even execute code. And you can see that Wiz actually flags that this agent is internet exposed. And also it has access to sensitive customer data. Now, this is security moving at the speed of AI. You don't need any reviews with your development teams. It just works. And in the AI era, the best defense is to continuously use AI against ourselves in order to give the defenders the first mover advantage over the attackers. And this is exactly what the Wiz Red Agent does. It validates every single exposure that Wiz identified. And you can think of it as a friendly hacker that continuously scans your outside like an elite red team. And look, this is a finding that the Red Agent actually found an authentication bypass vulnerability. This means that it enables an attacker to gain access to that agent, but also to that sensitive database behind it to exfiltrate sensitive information. Now, it's not a potential risk anymore. This is a validated risk. And this gives our developers the prioritization and the confidence in fixing it immediately. Now, in the past, triage used to mean very, very long meetings and waiting and spreadsheets. And you don't need that anymore because we have the Wiz Green Agent. The Wiz Green Agent automates the entire triage process from identifying the owner, suggesting the fix, identifying the exact line of code that caused the risk in the first place, all automated, no phone tag, no friction. And from here, you have a choice. You can send it to the developers as a PR, or maybe better, send it to a coding agent like CodeMender to execute the final fix at the source automatically. And this is how we can move from a validated risk to a verified fix, end-to-end visibility, control, and full confidence. So to summarize, whenever you have an AI team that ships a new product, or even someone in finance that vibe codes a new agent, now within minutes, security is able to, 1, identify the agent and its architecture, 2, automatically conduct a security review to find and validate the risks, and 3, automatically suggest the fix, send it to the dev teams in their own native tools. Ta-da! This is how AI agents unlock secure innovation with AI at scale. Thank you all. Back to you, Francis.